Click on the link below to get price. The Household Dehumidifier is a game changer for anyone struggling with high humidity levels in their home, particularly in areas like bathrooms, basements, and bedroom closets. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to place in various locations without taking up too much space, which is ideal for smaller rooms. From the moment I unboxed the dehumidifier, I was impressed with its modern aesthetic and user-friendly interface. The setup was straightforward. I plugged it in and adjusted the settings within seconds. One of the standout features is its adjustable humidity control, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels for different environments. In the bathroom, for instance, it efficiently reduces moisture after showers, preventing mold and mildew from developing. The performance of this dehumidifier is remarkable. It effectively extracts moisture from the air, making it especially useful in damp basements where humidity can lead to musty odors and potential damage to belongings. Within just a few hours of operation, I noticed a significant decrease in humidity, and the air felt fresher and more breathable. Another excellent feature is its quiet operation. Unlike some bulkier models, this dehumidifier runs quietly in the background, making it suitable for use in bedrooms without disrupting sleep. The built-in auto shut-off function is a great safety feature, ensuring that the unit turns off when the water tank is full, thus preventing overflow and damage. One minor drawback is that the water tank is relatively small, requiring frequent emptying in particularly humid conditions. However, it's easy to detach and reattach, which mitigates this inconvenience. Overall, a household dehumidifier is a highly effective solution for controlling humidity levels in various parts of the home. Its blend of efficiency, design, and functionality makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and protect their living spaces from the negative effects of excessive moisture.